Okay, in this exercise, we need to write a function that counts the number of vowels in a given character string. And all the vowels are here, are A, E, I, O, U. I'm going to write a function, oops, not in all caps, count vowels, and it's going to take a string, and it will return an integer. Okay, what I'm going to do is first create a counter, going to be 0, and then the easiest way to do this is just iterate through all the characters in a string, which we can do like this using a for loop, and then check if character is in the vowels string right here. And we don't need this anymore. If it is, we just do counter plus equals 1, which is the shorthand notation to increment by 1. Okay, and then just return counter. And that should do it. Let's try to run it proactively, and this is okay. Let's try to count vowels, and I'm just going to give a string sentence, and it gives us 6, and you can actually count them. 1 is here, I again 2, 3, 4 here, 5, and 6. That's it for this exercise.